Introducing stone-coated chip tiles, exclusively by Westcoast Roofing Systems Ghana Limited. Crafted for excellence, designed to deliver true value for money, and built to last for generations. Experience cooler comfort all year round with our eco-friendly roofing system, engineered to minimize heat absorption, reduce energy consumption, and keep your home naturally cool and efficient. Our advanced technology features: 1. A reflective surface that bounces off the sun's heat. 2. Air gap insulation that acts as a natural barrier against heat transfer. 3. A thermal mass effect that regulates indoor temperatures, keeping your space consistently comfortable. In real terms, Westcoast stone-coated tiles can reduce indoor temperatures by up to 7 degrees Celsius, cutting down your energy costs while enhancing your comfort and lifestyle. Built for beauty, durability, and sustainability, every Westcoast roof blends strength, style, and innovation, ensuring lasting protection and timeless appeal. Choose the roof that saves energy, withstands the test of time, and adds real value to your property. Think quality, think Westcoast.